Scene script. Have you ever wondered how it all began? How the universe in its vastness came to be? Our journey begins with a concept that's as mind-boggling as it is fascinating: the Big Bang Theory. Picture everything you know, all matter, all energy, all space, and all time, compressed into a single point of infinite density. This, my friends, is a singularity, an entity so small yet so incredibly dense. About 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity, the size of a pinhead, exploded. Not in the way you might imagine an ordinary explosion, but in an unfathomable burst of energy, expanding at an incredible rate. This, according to the Big Bang Theory, was the birth of our universe. But how do we know this? What evidence do we have to support such a seemingly wild claim? Well, there are two major pieces of evidence that lend credibility to the Big Bang Theory. Firstly, there's the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint glow, detectable in every direction we look, is the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's the oldest light in the universe, a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just about 380,000 years old. Secondly, we have the redshift of distant galaxies. When we observe far-off galaxies, we notice that their light is stretched, or shifted, towards the red end of the light spectrum. This redshift suggests these galaxies are moving away from us, indicating the universe is expanding. So the cosmic microwave background radiation and the redshift of distant galaxies provide compelling evidence that our universe began with a bang, not a whimper. In this cosmic journey, we've barely scratched the surface. The birth of the universe is just the beginning. It's where the laws of physics as we know them break down, where our understanding meets its limit, and where our curiosity takes flight. So, from a tiny singularity, the universe expanded into the boundless cosmos we see today. This is the tale of our universe's birth, a tale of expansion, of exploration, and of the unending search for understanding. The birth of the universe set the stage for the creation of galaxies and stars. In the grand cosmic theater, the formation of these celestial bodies is an act of epic proportions. Following the birth of the universe, matter was scattered across the vast expanse of space. Eventually, the invisible hand of gravity intervened, pulling together particles of dust and gas into swirling clouds. These clouds of matter are the building blocks of galaxies. Over time, they grew denser and denser, with gravity molding them into the diverse shapes we see today: spirals, ellipticals, and irregulars. Each galaxy, a vast cosmic city, is home to billions, if not trillions, of stars. But how are stars born within these galaxies? The stage for their creation is set in the densest regions of these gas clouds. Here, the force of gravity is so strong that it compresses the gas and dust together, creating a dense core known as a protostar. This process is not gentle or quiet. It's a turbulent dance of matter under extreme pressure and heat. As the pressure in the core of the protostar increases, it heats up, and when it reaches a scorching 15 million degrees Celsius, a remarkable transformation occurs. The intense heat and pressure ignite nuclear fusion, the process that powers every star in the universe. Hydrogen atoms in the core of the star begin to collide and fuse together, creating helium. This fusion process releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat, causing the protostar to glow. This is the moment a star is born, a radiant point of light in the cosmic darkness. And so, in this cosmic theater, galaxies and stars take their place on the stage. Each galaxy, with its unique shape and size, houses a multitude of stars, each one a spectacle of nuclear fusion. Together, they form a cosmic orchestra, playing a symphony of light and energy that has been ongoing for billions of years. Thus, galaxies, home to billions of stars, were born, illuminating the cosmic stage. From galaxies and stars, we now zoom in closer to home, to our own solar system. Our cosmic journey takes us back approximately 4.5 billion years, to a time when our corner of the cosmos was nothing more than a giant molecular cloud. This cloud, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, was not destined to remain shapeless forever. Influenced by the gravitational forces at play, it began to collapse under its own weight. This collapse triggered a spinning motion, much like a twirling ice skater pulling in her arms. The center of the spinning cloud grew hotter and denser, forming a protostar. Eventually, the pressure and temperature at the heart of this protostar reached a critical point, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to our sun. But our cosmic tale does not end here. While our newly formed sun was blazing away, the remaining material from the molecular cloud began to flatten into a spinning protoplanetary disk. Tiny particles within this disk started to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps grew into planetesimals and then protoplanets. In the inner part of the solar system, closer to the Sun, these protoplanets became the rocky planets, including our very own Earth. Further out, the cooler temperatures allowed for the formation of gas giants. In this way, the familiar layout of our solar system took shape. Our Earth, initially a molten mass, gradually cooled down. The heavy elements sank to form the core, while the lighter ones rose to form the crust. Water vapor, released from the cooling rocks, condensed to form the oceans, and over time, the first life forms began to appear. Through this process, from a mere molecular cloud, our beautiful blue planet was born. A planet that would eventually harbor life and beings capable of understanding their place in the cosmos. And so, Earth, our home, came into existence, nestled in the vast cosmic arena. With the stage set, life made its grand entrance. In the grand cosmic theater, life, like an unscripted play, began to unfold on Earth. It started small, with single-celled organisms, and over billions of years, transformed into a vibrant spectacle of biodiversity. From the tiniest microbes to the blue whale, life has painted a remarkable canvas on our home planet. All this while, the universe observed silently, its stars twinkling like proud parents. Yet the story of life is not confined to Earth. As we trace our history back to the stars, we realize that we are, quite literally, stardust. The elements that make up our bodies, the air we breathe, the ground beneath our feet, all were forged in the heart of stars billions of years ago. So, in a way, life is the universe experiencing itself. As for our understanding of the universe today, it's as vast as it is mysterious. We know it's structured into galaxies, which group into clusters, forming an intricate cosmic web. Yet for all we understand, there's so much that remains a mystery. Dark matter, dark energy, the nature of black holes, the possibility of parallel universes. These enigmas continue to baffle us, reminding us of the immensity of the cosmic puzzle. Astronomers, armed with advanced telescopes and profound curiosity, are on a tireless quest to decipher these mysteries. Every discovery, every revelation brings us one step closer to a more complete picture of our cosmic home. Yet, the more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly know. The universe, once thought to be static and unchanging, is now known to be an ever-evolving entity, teeming with life, death, and rebirth. We, as sentient beings, have the unique ability to ponder our existence, to question our origins, and to dream about our future. As we stand on the shoulders of cosmic giants, we continue to explore and understand our place in the universe. As we journey back from the cosmos to our blue planet, let's recap the marvels we've uncovered. Our cosmic voyage began with the birth of the universe, a cataclysmic event that breathed life into the cosmos. From a singular point of infinite density, the universe expanded rapidly, a big bang that laid the foundation for everything we see today. From this fiery birth, galaxies and stars began to form, creating cosmic tapestries of gas, dust, and energy. We've seen how galaxies, these vast islands of stars, are the building blocks of the universe. Stars, in their turn, are the fundamental components of galaxies, illuminating the cosmos with their intense energy. These celestial bodies are more than just points of light in the night sky. They are the cosmic furnaces that forge the elements necessary for life. Our journey then took us to our solar system, a celestial neighborhood where our Earth resides. Here, we uncovered how our planet, a cosmic oasis, came into existence and how it's perfectly suited for life. Earth, with its unique conditions, became a cradle for life, setting the stage for the greatest show in the universe, the emergence and evolution of life. We've also delved into our current understanding of the universe. We've seen how far we've come, from ancient observers gazing upon the stars with wonder, to modern astronomers probing the cosmos with sophisticated telescopes. Yet, despite our leaps in understanding, countless mysteries still remain. Dark matter, dark energy, the nature of black holes. These are but a few of the cosmic enigmas that continue to tantalize us. The universe, from its fiery birth to the present, remains a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be discovered. As we continue to gaze upon the stars, who knows what marvels await us in the cosmos? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. We invite you now to take your curiosity beyond this video, to continue exploring the marvels of the universe and keep that spark of wonder alive. The universe is an open book, and every star, every galaxy, every nebula has a story to tell. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, we invite you to become part of our community. If you've enjoyed this journey, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. By doing so, you'll help us spread knowledge and inspire others to look up at the night sky with curiosity and wonder. In the words of Carl Sagan, the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The journey is far from over, and we can't wait to see where it takes us next.